Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and finally, after a good practice to our programming skills, we're getting to our first milestone. And in this milestone, we are going to write a program that will print on the screen the results of 5 mathematical operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and remainder. And these mathematical operations are going to be done on these two numbers, 5 and 2. Okay, let's take these two numbers, number 5 and number 2. Meaning that I want to see 5 different print commands on these two numbers. Something like 5 plus 2 equals to 7 and 5 minus 2 equals to 3. So these are the exact messages I want to see on the screen. Also, make sure you use the format specifications we talked about in the previous videos, in the previous exercises. That's basically the whole point of this milestone, to correctly use print commands as well as our format specifications. Alright, and one last thing for this video, I want you to note that once you're good with this topic, and once we go over the next variables chapter, you'll be able to develop some real calculator. It will still be basic, but it still will be capable of doing different mathematical operations on different numbers received from the user, and not just 5 and 2 like we do in this milestone. Meaning that in the next section we are going to get more tools to develop more versatile calculator. And I want you guys just to know that this milestone is just the first step in our journey. The first milestone for you to become a legendary programmer. So good luck, guys!